morning, Madana procedure. Now I am going to conduct one training day. That means I will explain you what is this day. If I am saying one letter, you have to create a multiple number of words only based on the computer words. Okay. If I say letter A, how to say what is the word exactly the computer words. Don't say other words. What I will say computer related words. By doing this activity, you can number what is the multiple number of words to be available in say the computer terminology. That one day I am going to conduct by today. First I am going to say what is the letter S. Anyone? What is letter S from first stage? Standard today. Straight, that's very good. Any more options? So yes, the first one we have any number of S-based letters. First is string, and second one software. Anybody else? We have any number of books. 3 books. Okay. Number of books. Next, letter B. Next letter S. B. One by one. What is binary? Papa makes Papa is the memory can be divided into various purposes. Memory area. You can store n number of inputs and n number of outputs from the value of the variables. Variable memory system. Software then independence. Broadcast. Lot of words. By the you can generate or can think about different types of words. Next letter B. Commands. CPU. So these are some of the yeah. When you are logging into a system, how to each come to put your username and password. Right? For example, you are accessing, you are trying to access some other command site. You need to verify the provider side. So that you have authenticated that you are using your email ID and password. So each user can user can log in. What the memory will use is but this is a small storage area. It will store all the passwords recorded by the user. That is the purpose of storage. Then method X. External markup language. External markup language is correct. External markup language. A lot of unexpected. Okay. Each and every student have memory the ideas, okay, unique ideas. If I am saying a simple word, you are seeing the unique words and narrative words. Okay. You are thinking think like that, but space. But on the same concept, can be update your abbreviation things. CPU, say SW, HW, LW, HDID, any sort of CRP like this. You have to try and you have to apply for the abbreviation use. Okay, you can identify the difference. No, I mean, number of words in there and no number of abbreviated terms is in the computer based. Okay, then